Hi students, today our next chapter, that is Indian National Awards. In these chapters we are going to see about the names of the different national awards of India. Okay, so in this chapter you have to read the hints given below and you have to write the national awards of India. Okay, let's start. The first one, that is Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian honor given for exceptional services towards advancement of art, literature and science, and in recognitions of public service of the highest order. It is also not mandatory that Bharat Ratna be awarded every year. The next one, that is Param Veer Chakra, or you can say PVC short form. Okay, Param Veer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, which is awarded for most conspicuous bravery or some daring or preeminent act of valor of a self-sacrifice in the presence of an enemy, whether on land, at a sea, or maybe in air. It was introduced on 26 January 1950 on the First Republic Day. Next, that is Padma Vibhushan. The Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award of the Republic of India after the Bharat Ratna, instituted on 2nd January 1954. The award is given for exceptional and distinguished services without distinction of race, occupation, position, or sex. Next, that is Arjuna Award. Arjuna Awards are given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to recognize outstanding achievement in national sports. Instituted in 1961, the award carries a cash prize of 5 lakh, a bronze statue of Arjuna and a scroll. Let's see the next one, that is Padma Bhushan. This is Padma Bhushan and the previous one was Padma Vibhushan. Padma Bhushan is the third highest civilian award in the Republic of India, preceded by the Bharat Ratna and the Padma Vibhushan and followed by the Padma Shri. Next is Ashok Chakra. It is India's highest peacetime military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. The chakra, which features in the middle of the tricolor, has 24 spokes. It was adopted on July 22, 1947. The wheel is called the Ashok Chakra because it appears on a number of edicts of Ashoka, the most prominent among which is the lion capital of Ashoka. And the last one, that is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. It is the highest rank national sports award in India that is given to boost the moral and the confidence of the players. It is given to the players for their exceptional performance in sports in India. So you have to write the names of the awards as you when you watch the video, and write the answers in sequence. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care yourself.